Just saying. And if y'all heard that, I don't know if you did, but if you did, you know it's true.
Wait. This is take 2, and I'm Midnight. Love you.
Yeah.
Midnight.
The other time I was talented. The other time I was talented enough to cover the microphone.
You're covering it again.
No, I'm not. I'm holding the edges.
Uh-huh.
Whatever.
By the way, I'm Crystal, as you might know.
And I'm winning that pool.
Do you not like me or something?
The actual game with the...
Yeah, no, don't hit the camera.
what pool is.
I'm upside
Unless they're
down.
3-year-olds.
You still love me. Yeah. And if you're jealous,
I'm winning. No,
I'm wearing sunglasses.
Oh my god, camera hog.
I'm wearing sunglasses inside and they're jealous. Dude, okay. In that closet is where the Headless Joby and the Werewolf Malay Boy live.
Here, let me explain to you.
We're one of the branches of them were Rainbow Girls. And
Yeah, we're part of the Masonic family.
What now?
Yeah! Hey, I'm trying to do my spiel. But you don't have to be a part of the Masonic family. You can just be a girlfriend of one of us. And yes, I said girlfriend. You have to be a girl. Malay's for boys. Job's is for Mason daughters.
and Rainbow.
Stairs is creepy.
And Rainbow?
And Rainbow is for girls. Just for
Oh,
girls.
and Rainbow.
Because it's, yeah.
I think you understood that when I said you have to be a girl.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway. Yeah. So, our battery is running out.
Yeah.
And our memory. So, this is going to be the last video for today. We love y'all. Mwah.
And
Yeah, she's a hog. Oh gosh, there's something on my lens. Okay, and if you want to know more about Rainbow, leave some comments.
In the section below.
Let's redo that.
In the section below.
Ray William Johnson. We both love him.
just leave some comments.
Except
Tell
for
us
I'm
what you think
sexier.
about our videos, and we can reply to whatever questions you got.
I'm
We might-
sexier.
Yeah, we might be doing more of these videos. We don't know. We're gonna put up another one with our others.
But yeah, we all love y'all. The time's gonna run out.
Johnny